The market don't want me to make any profits today. I checked the market 3 times. I don't see any setup. I even slept off. I woke up thinking market would have prepared sweet and nice setup for me. But no! Market, was it because I revenged yesterday? I won 4 and you won 1. But do you forgot? Some days last week, you won 4 and I only won 1. Market, are you now vexing for me? You no suppose be o. First thing in the morning, I spent more than 40 minutes looking for setup. I didn't see any single one. The second time, I spent more than 30 minutes. I was looking for setup. I can't find one. So I leave the market that I'm going to come back. The third time, I'm going to check the market. I even calmed down thinking I was the problem, that I don't have enough patience. I have enough patience. I called my patient that, yo, come, sit down. I want to have you. I have patience to the fullest and I don't see any setup. Why? I woke up full of energy, having my strategy, my entry, my exit, my take profit mapped out, thinking I'm going to push the button and pap my 10% profit. I was even thinking is at least I'm going to pap 10% profit, but the market refused to show me one single setup. One. When I checked the market third time, I thought I should wait for the exact time I traded yesterday, that maybe by then market would have given me a sweet and nice setup. But the market have plan for me. Market brew sleeping portion powder. Man, I sleep. I totally forgot I need to wake up and take the trade. I was waiting for yesterday time setup, but no, market, your sleeping portion work. When I woke up, I quickly rushed to my phone. I checked the market, but it's gone. I even slept past time. Then I decided to take a trade. I already have 10% profit. So I was like, yo, market, you should have mercy on me. Have good mercy on me. Then I calmed down. I wait patiently for one good setup to come. I pushed the button and I lose. I don't bother to trigger martingale because market is not respecting my strategy. The setup I see won, I took it and I lose. So I don't bother to trigger martingale. That is how I just stop trading for today. I keep gaining more experience every single day. For the past 3 weeks, it is the first time market is going to be doing like this. First day, market is going to react. Market just keep ranging. I am happy I don't force any trade. I don't take trade because I want to trade. That is a huge development in my trading psychology. I really want to make more than 30% of my capital this week. Now that I already lost 10% of my profit, I'm back to my initial capital. I'm glad I'm able to come back to my initial capital yesterday. I hope I will be able to achieve making more than 30% at the end of this week trading. Moral of the day, know when to leave the market. Appreciate your small growth. Have tight risk management. Don't force any trade. Wait for your setup. Probably tomorrow, I hope I'm going to see lot and lot of setup so I can take more trade, more and more. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to blow that subscribe button. Till tomorrow, peace.